Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this grill cover. It's a BBQ cover. In this case it's a 58 inches version of it. It's waterproof barbecue grill cover, UV resistant. It's a barbecue gas grill cover. Durable, rip resistant barbecue grill cover for grills of, for example, Weber, Char-Broil, Brinkmann, and so many more. Not only 58 inches is on the market, you can get it in 30 to 26 inches or 30 inches. The 30 inches models are for the smaller grills out there, but here it comes with the 58 inches dimensions. This grill cover fits more on the most grill brands out there. This heavy-duty barbecue grill cover is very strong and it uses upgraded ripstop waterproof 210D Oxford fabric material. The fabric is made with double stitching and a ripstop test. This barbecue cover design is added just the drawstring cords both at the bottom and in the middle and connect the central buckles for a snug fit. 4 safety buckles for extra stationery on the gas grill barbecue cover bottom means better protection against strong wind while we are in any place. Yeah, it's a durable barbecue cover. This will cover the whole barbecue body itself. Efficiently protect our barbecue against sun, rain, wind, snow, ice, dust, dirt, hail. Barbecue cover is really cool, as you can see. It's nice and clean and dry. It stops the barbecue rusting away. The barbecue cover design comes with reflective silver grab handles on both sides. This makes the cover easier noticeable in the dark and helps us easily fit it and remove the barbecue cover faster and better. It can hang and hook, help to clean dry quickly after rain or snow. You see, it's really easy to attach this onto your barbecue grill, and it's supports and protects nearly everything from it. Okay, super fixed for its snap at the bottom, super tear resistant, 210D heavy duty waterproof material, and 58 to 23.99 to 64 inches in the dimensions. It fits on Weber Spirit models, as you can see, Brinkmann, Dynamo Glow, Char-Broil, Gas Grill. It's suitable for 47 inches to up 58 inches with barbecue grills with 2 up to 5 burners. Okay, the grill cover are designed to withstand all harsh weather out there. It protects our grill from sunlight, rain, dust, dirt, and other outdoor elements, and all the year around. Okay, so you can protect it at any place and any time with it. It can be easily folded into the bag, which is included, convenient for us to carry, easy to install and to remove. The handles for easy fittings and removing are attached on the device itself, and reinforced stitching for added durability. We have here heavy duty and waterproof material, convenient silver handle and straps. We have double stitched cover, a double adjustable cord lock closure, snow-proof and anti-UV with easy cleaning, adjustable Velcro straps, and elastic hand rope. You see, it's really easy. We place the double check the dimensions of the barbecue to ensure that it will fit. Okay, we have here a Weber gas barbecue grill, and you can see it fits. It matches really cool. Okay, and then it can start. You can start with it easy. Get it on position. Job's done. Easy peasy with the grill cover by HCFGS. BBQ, oh yeah, 58 inches, waterproof. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.